there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and today we're going to find out exactly how much $58 can buy us at Walmart. I did a grocery delivery today, and let me tell you off the get-go that I was not bargain shopping, okay? So I wasn't trying to find a deal. I was just trying to put a few things in my storage pantry, pick up a couple of things that my daughter was really interested in, and also get some coffee creamer, and basically I was just window shopping on their app and added a bunch of stuff. So let's see what I got, okay? Well, let's start up here in the corner. Those graham crackers right there were $1.84. That beef stew, which I've heard some pretty good things about, that's why I bought it, because I want to try it, was $2.28. The miso soup is something that my daughter wanted. There's 3 packets, and it was $2.58. That's a little high, in my opinion, of 3 little bowls of miso soup. But she wanted it. I bought it. We've got some baby Bella mushrooms right there. And those were $2.38. The coffee creamer is $2.48. Now this I was really surprised about. This is dried beef. And my grandmother used to make me chipped beef in a cream sauce on toast. And I absolutely loved it. And we all know there's another name for it. But I'm not going to be able to say it here on YouTube. The cost of that was $3.50, and it's a tiny little jar. Look at that. It fits in my hand, and it is 2.25 ounces of chipped beef. But there's a lot in there, and it will make the meal that I want it to make. I actually bought this for my storage pantry, so I'm glad to have it. These Kleenex, I got these for my son to put in his book bag. These home-style meatballs are really good for a super quick meal, and I decided to go ahead and buy some. There's 2 pounds in here, and normally this will make us 2 meals for $5.86. So I'm not unhappy with that. Now these Thai basil dumplings are another thing that my daughter wanted. She's very much into Asian food right now, and we're going to try some things with this. But they were $4.38 for 9 ounces, y'all. But like I said, she wanted them, so I bought them. Y'all, I'm such a sucker. Other than the fact that she's in an Asian craze right now, the other reason that she wanted to try tofu is that she has very, very low iron, and we're trying to get it up. And tofu contains 10% of the iron that you need throughout the day. So I thought that would be a really good meal for her to have, either lunch or dinner, whatever. Boost her iron levels a little bit. The sliced cheese is $2.22. I got these labels here because I need to label some of my Savings Challenge envelopes and also my son's folders for school. Those labels were $2.28. Now, these have gone up, and I'm a little disappointed. These were $1.08 a piece, and I used to pay less than $1 for them. I believe they were 96 cents. But my kids absolutely love them, so I bought them. Some of this stuff back here is going to go in my storage pantry. The Alfredo, one of the cans of pasta sauce, and one of the spaghetti noodle packets. The spaghetti noodles were 92 cents a piece, and so was the pasta sauce, which was a decent deal. I'm not unhappy with that. The Alfredo, I think I already said, was $2.28. Those Brussels sprouts were $1.27. I think I used to get those for about $1.19, maybe $1.09, I forget, but I know it was cheaper than that. Now, y'all, this Tennessee Pride sausage over here, they are super proud of it. I mean, really proud. But Poppy wants me to make him some Scotch eggs, so I decided to buy it. It was $4.48 for that little 1-pound roll of sausage. It's highway robbery. However, all of that together was $58 and some change. I forget how much the change was. I got 25 items, and when I did the math and divided 25 into 58 and the change, it was about $2.52 each item. I guess that's all right. Now, what I used to do years ago was play this little game at the grocery store. And I would try to buy every single item for $1 or less. I can't do that anymore. What I'd like to do is be able to buy every single item for $2 or less. I have not been able to do that since inflation started on the food. But I believe that my $2.50 price range under our current climate and conditions is not too bad. Like I said before, I wasn't even bargain hunting. I was just buying things that my kids said they wanted, that I thought we needed, and some to store away. So you let me know if you think that this was an economical haul or not. And if you'd like to see what else this old penny pinching granny is up to, I'm going to put another video in the box right over here. Go ahead and click on it and watch another video. Save some money, who knows? And even see my chickens. Y'all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.